Here's how you can safely and correctly clean your K&N replacement air filter or intake system filter for your American V-twin motorcycle. First, remove the filter from the bike. Next, liberally spray K&N Power Clean filter cleaner onto both sides of the filter and allow to sit for 10 minutes, but do not allow the cleaner to dry on the air filter. Next, rinse the filter with a low-pressure water source from the clean side out in order to flush the dirt out of the filter. It may be necessary to use your fingers on the hose to apply light water pressure. Repeat the process until the water runs clean and free from debris. After rinsing the filter, gently shake off excess water and allow the filter to dry naturally. Make sure the filter is completely dry before applying filter oil. When re-oiling your filter, you can use K&N filter oil in a squeeze bottle or spray can. If using the squeeze bottle, apply the K&N air filter oil evenly along the crown of each pleat. If using the aerosol can, spray the oil evenly along the crown of each pleat with the spray nozzle approximately 3 inches away. Allow the oil to wick for approximately 20 minutes and then touch up any light areas on either side of the filter until there's a uniform red color. Ensure that no excess filter oil is dripping from the filter and reinstall back onto your bike. Regular maintenance of your K&N air filter will provide consistent airflow and filtration for many years. To find K&N products for your vehicle, click on the link below.